So for this one, it says for h of x equals, and it gives you a set of ordered pairs, and it says find the indicated value. And we know that f of x equals y, so h of x also equals y. So when they give you a number, they are saying what is y when x is, and so they are saying when x is 6, so I go right up here to the 6, when x is -2, y is, and I go up to here and I copy it down. When x is 8, y is, and I go to x is 8, so y is 14. The next set, it's going to give us two functions. They're going to name them f of x and g of x. Pay attention which one you're going to do, because when it says f of -2, it wants you to use this one. So 2 minus 3x equals 2 minus 3 times -2, 2 minus a -6, which is 8. G of 5, we're plugging into 2x squared minus 1. So 2 times 5 squared minus 1, 2 times 25 minus 1, 50 minus 1, this is 49. Now we can do a lot of things. So now they're wanting us to find f of 4, and then they're wanting to find g of -1, and then we're to add them together. So f of 4 equals 2 minus 3x equals 2 minus 3 times 4. 2 minus 12 is -10. G of -1 equals 2x squared minus 1. Coming back up and paying attention to, I pick up the right formula. 2 times -1 squared minus 1 equals 2 times 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1. So now this is a -10 plus a 1, and my whole entire answer is -9. Here's my f of 4. Here's my g of -1. We add them together, and so your final answer is -9. Find the domain and range. Okay, domain is appropriate values of x, range is appropriate values of y. Here's my little hula dancer. He's my domain. Okay, just a crazy way to do it. That means I'm going to find out the borders from your left to your right. Okay, you can start by labeling your points, -3 and 5, and your points 3 and -3. Pay attention to closed dots, open dots. Okay, so here's an easy way to do it. When you have color, your inequality sign will also have additional color. Also, standing in the shade is good in Texas. Domain. Set notation. Don't need set notation. Sorry, not set notation this time. Okay, we're dealing with x. Domain goes x. Your inequality signs will always face that way. Okay, but when I go from this border, it's -3. But when I go from this border, it has a colored dot, therefore it's underlined. And I go to an open circle, and my x value is 3. Range is bottom to top. it's y. Make sure you do y. You start with that. Pay attention to your circles. On the bottom, it is -3 for the y value, and it goes as high as 5, but a closed dot has a underline. This concludes your notes. I'm going to work through some practice problems, and then I'm going to actually ask you to do some of the problems and submit them. Thank you.